If you manage high-end properties in central London and need reliable contractors for plumbing, electrical work, handyman services, or full renovations, you know your clients expect reliability and seamless service. The challenge we consistently hear from estate agents and property professionals is finding contractors who understand that premium properties require a different approach, not just in work quality, but in communication, reliability, and attention to detail. When your reputation depends on exceptional service to discerning clients, anything less reflects directly on you. We are TMT Central, a premium property maintenance company based in central London, working exclusively with estate agents and property managers who handle high-value properties. We specialise in handyman services, plumbing, electrical work, decorating, bathroom renovations, and full refurbishments, delivered by skilled professionals who understand that every detail matters. Whether it's emergency plumbing or complete renovation, our approach includes dedicated admin support, comprehensive documentation with photography, transparent pricing, and a single point of contact. We currently partner with over 37 premium property firms across central London. We're selective about who we work with because exceptional results require the right client relationships. If you're looking for a maintenance partner who shares your commitment to quality, we'd welcome a brief conversation. Not a sales pitch, simply a professional discussion to explore whether we might be the right fit. You can reach us by phone, WhatsApp, email, or through our website. All the details are on screen now.